Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through an easy step-to-step process on how to sign up to Trust Wallet. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To create a new account or sign up for Trust Wallet, first make sure that you've downloaded Trust Wallet application on your mobile device. Once you have it, give it a tap to open. The first interface of Trust Wallet will look like this. Click on Create a new wallet if you want to sign up for a new wallet. If you already have a wallet, you can tap on I already have a wallet and follow the on-screen prompts to get access to your existing wallet. In today's video, since we are trying to create a new wallet, tap on the first option. Go through the privacy policy and terms of service of Trust Wallet before beginning and tap on the little box that says I've read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy at the bottom. Tap the continue button in order to get started, and now go through the information first before backing up your wallet. It says that on the next page you'll be able to see your secret phrases that will allow you to recover your wallet in the future if you lose access to your wallet. So you'll need to keep your secret recovery phrases safe, since if you lose your phrases, your funds will be lost forever. And it says that you should not share your phrases with anyone for your security. Tap on all of these boxes over here and tap on the continue button at the bottom. Your secret recovery phrases will be displayed on the next page. Simply write down your secret recovery phrases in a piece of paper in the correct order as shown in the display. Once you write down your secret recovery phrases in the correct order, tap the continue button at the bottom of the screen. Now, verify your secret recovery phrases by selecting the words from the display into the correct order. Finally, after typing in your secret phrases, tap the continue button at the bottom. And there you have successfully created a new wallet for Trust Wallet. Tap on OK and enable necessary permissions. Now you can get started and personalize your wallet right away. That was how you can easily sign up for Trust Wallet. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.